A bicyclist was hit by a car near Yokit's Park this afternoon. Police said about 3 o'clock. The bike rider pulled out in front of a car at the driveway of Yokit's Park and Empire Drive and was hit by a car. The bicyclist was taken to a local hospital with minor injuries.
Well, today, the governor signed a bill into law that will protect bike riders on the road.
And 23 ABC's Mark Christian is out live on 21st Street with more on what the new law means for bicyclists and drivers. Mark?
That's right, Todd and Jackie. Well, today's law, or actually today's action, is just another reminder that we need to share the road with cyclists. But the new law will specifically say what drivers need to do around bicyclists or face some fines.
Some drivers have the mindset that really roads are for cars.
Drivers will soon need to be extra cautious when passing by bicycles.
It's not just their road, it's all of ours, and we share it as one.
Passing them too close or too fast will be illegal.
Pedestrians are people too.
Now, existing law requires drivers to pass bicyclists while keeping a safe distance. But the new law establishes exactly what that distance is: 3 feet.
3 feet, it's either life or death.
But if traffic or roadway conditions prevent a motorist from giving a cyclist 3 feet of space, drivers must slow to a safe speed and only pass when the cyclist will not be endangered.
It's a good safe space for us, and that now we don't have to worry as much.
Zach Davis owns a Bakersfield bike courier service. He says the new law will raise awareness that everybody needs to share the road.
It can be very stressful sometimes. There's a lot of people out in the downtown area, and everyone's in a rush, and yeah, it can get kind of scary sometimes, but you know, you gotta look out, you gotta watch your back.
Hundreds of bicyclists are killed and tens of thousands are injured in car-bike collisions each year in the United States.
They should have done this law 10 years ago. You wouldn't have had all these people being, ran over.
The California Bicycle Coalition, which campaigned for the new law, says collisions from behind are the cause of 40% of fatal car-bike crashes. Jason Cater of Bike Bakersfield said the passing of this law is a huge step in the right direction.
Bakersfield in particular, we have a high number of incidences, so there's a lot more education to be done, safer infrastructure to be put in, but again, something like this is a huge milestone that we should celebrate.
Now, the new law won't take effect until next September. Violators will be subject to a base fine of $35, which comes to $154 with additional fees, increasing to $220 if a driver passes too close and hits and injures a cyclist. Reporting live from downtown Bakersfield, Mark Christian, 23 ABC.
All right, Mark.